Men Property Management Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most real estate investors think managing rental properties is overwhelming, but Men Property Management promises to simplify the process and potentially improve returns. Men is a full-service property management company that focuses on turnkey rental properties. They handle everything from tenant screening and leasing to maintenance, accounting, and eviction processes. One standout feature is their technology platform, which allows investors to track property performance, rental income, and expenses in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume all property managers are the same. The surprising truth is that Men leverages local market expertise combined with centralized technology, allowing for faster rent collection, lower vacancy rates, and proactive maintenance. They also offer optional investment services, helping investors identify properties with strong cash flow potential. Another advantage is transparency. Men provides detailed monthly statements, maintenance reports, and tenant histories. You can see exactly where your money is going and how your properties are performing, which is invaluable for investors managing multiple units. However, there are considerations. Management fees typically range from 8-10% of monthly rent, plus leasing fees, which can add up. Investors should weigh these costs against the time and stress saved. Additionally, customer service experiences vary by region, so researching local offices is recommended. In conclusion, Men Property Management can be a solid choice for investors seeking hands-off management with technology-driven insights. It's particularly beneficial for out-of-state investors or those with multiple properties, but fees and regional performance should be carefully evaluated. Subscribe for more honest real estate and investment service reviews before you make your next property decision.